Let's be real. Overheating your engine out on the trail or during a long haul sucks. Nothing stops a good ride faster than a radiator that can't keep up. That's why today, we're breaking down the best radiators for your Jeep YJ or TJ. Whether you're crawling rocks or cruising highways, these radiators will help keep that engine chill. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 3, we got the Tepilauda aluminum radiator. This beast is built with aircraft-grade aluminum and a slick 3-row racing design. It's got high-density multi-louvered fins that ramp up cooling efficiency big time. If you're rocking a 1987 to 2006 YJ or TJ with a 2.4, 2.5, 4.0, or 4.2-liter engine, this baby fits like a glove. It's also got a higher coolant capacity than stock, which means it handles heat spikes way better, perfect for off-road abuse or racing applications. Rolling in at number 2 is the ZING King full aluminum radiator. First off, it's ISO 9001 and IATF certified, which just means they don't mess around with quality. This thing passes 4 different factory tests and still hits the trail with a 99.7% pass rate. The 3-row tubing setup and high-density fins boost cooling by up to 30% over stock. Fits a huge range of YJ and TJ models from 1987 to 2006. And yep, it includes Rubicons, Saharas, Sports. Plus, that extended warranty and fast support are a nice cherry on top. And finally, coming in at number 1, the YITAMOTOR OE style radiator. This one keeps it simple and reliable. It's a snug OE fit with reinforced glass fiber tanks that can take on extreme heat without cracking. The aluminum core and oil cooler work together to pull heat out fast and efficiently. It's perfect for daily drivers or Jeeps that see weekend trails, and the price won't break the bank either. It covers Jeep Wranglers from 1989 all the way to 2006. A solid choice if you want plug-and-play performance. All right, folks, to wrap it up, whether you're upgrading for trail use, fixing an old stock radiator, or just looking to boost reliability, these 3 radiators will do the job right. Tepilauda is the go-to for hardcore racing-level cooling. ZING King brings top-tier quality control and coverage. And YITAMOTOR is the solid everyday pick that won't disappoint. Check out the links in the description to snag the right one for your ride. And hey, if this helped, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more Jeep gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.